In a world where luxury sedans constantly evolve, where comfort, technology, and refinement rise with every new generation, one name has endured for more than 3 decades. A name that has quietly shaped the meaning of premium driving, not through flashiness, not through aggressive marketing, but through master craftsmanship, devotion to comfort, and an obsession with reliability. This is the story of the 2026 Lexus ES, a car that represents the very best of Lexus engineering. A car born from a legacy of silence, smoothness, and timeless design. A car built not just to be driven, but to be experienced. We will take a journey through its history, its creation, its engineering, its performance, and the philosophy behind what makes the ES one of the most respected luxury sedans in the world. Welcome to the 2026 Lexus ES, redefining luxury. To understand the 2026 Lexus ES, we must travel back to 1983. Toyota's chairman, Eiji Toyoda, issued a challenge to his engineers: build the world's greatest luxury car. That single statement sparked Project F1, the internal code name for developing the LS 400, the very first Lexus. But alongside the LS, Toyota had another vision: a more affordable, more accessible luxury sedan that offered refinement without excess, comfort without complexity. This vision became the Lexus ES. It debuted in 1989, the same year Lexus was born. Since then, the ES has evolved across generations, growing larger, more comfortable, and more technologically advanced. By the 2010s, the ES became one of the world's best-selling luxury sedans, favored for its silent cabin, its smooth ride, its bulletproof reliability, and approachable price. Fast forward to today. After years of incremental improvements, Lexus has reinvented the ES once again for 2026, blending traditional comfort with modern digital luxury. The design of the 2026 ES began in the Lexus Design Studio in Aichi, Japan. Here, a team of Takumi master artisans worked under a simple guiding idea: a sedan that feels alive, yet calming. The exterior silhouette is long, fluid, and sculpted, stretching gracefully from the elongated hood to the gently sloping rear. Lexus describes it as grace in motion. The front fascia continues the evolution of the Lexus spindle grille, but it's more refined than before. Sharper LED headlights give the ES a focused, determined look. Each line has a functional purpose. Smoother airflow, reduced drag, improved stability at highway speeds. The rear end is clean and modern, featuring a unified LED light bar that communicates sophistication rather than aggression. The designers wanted the ES to look elegant in motion, even at a standstill. The 2026 ES uses the latest version of the TNGA platform, engineered for comfort and rigidity. Lexus reinforced key structural areas, improving cornering stability and reducing cabin vibration. The body panels undergo a multi-stage painting process. 1. Base corrosion protection. 2. Primer. 3. Color. 4. Clear coat. 5. Polishing by hand. This gives the ES a deep, mirror-like shine. One of the reasons Lexus paint quality is often considered among the best in the industry. Each ES is assembled in a facility where even micro-imperfections are checked by hand. Takumi experts use highly trained senses, even listening for subtle sounds in the cabin to detect misalignments. The result is a sedan that feels solid, refined, and meticulously crafted. Step inside the 2026 Lexus ES, and you immediately understand the Japanese concept of omotenashi, a philosophy of hospitality that anticipates your needs before you even express them. The interior is not just a cabin, it is a sanctuary. Lexus designers approached the ES interior as if they were preparing a traditional Japanese guest room. Calm, balanced, and welcoming. Everything begins with the seating position. The driver sits slightly lower, with a clear view of the road and a cockpit that wraps gently around the body. The controls are placed exactly where the hands naturally fall, a result of thousands of ergonomic tests. The dashboard is layered with fine materials. Soft-touch leather reel, wood veneers, brushed aluminum accents, ambient lighting that feels warm and gentle rather than flashy. The seats use a dual-density foam construction designed to reduce fatigue on long drives. Every curve of the seat follows the natural shape of the spine. Lexus even studied traditional Japanese tatami mat support to perfect the comfort level. Small but thoughtful touches, like padded armrests, soft close storage, and smooth tactile buttons, add to the luxurious atmosphere. This is not an interior built to impress at first glance. It is built to impress every day, year after year. One of the biggest upgrades in the 2026 ES is its advanced digital cabin architecture. Front and center is the 12.3-inch Lexus multimedia display, angled slightly toward the driver for easier reach and visibility. The screen features ultra-high resolution anti-glare coating, faster loading speed, over-the-air software updates, voice control is powered by an improved AI assistant. Simply saying, "Hey Lexus," activates a smart system capable of adjusting climate controls, finding routes, sending messages, changing audio settings, searching the web, controlling car functions. The system uses cloud-based data to stay up to date, giving the ES a more conversational, natural interaction style. Below the screen, Lexus maintains physical buttons for essential functions like temperature and fan speed, a deliberate choice to avoid the frustration of touch-only controls. The 2026 ES also supports wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, advanced Bluetooth multipoint pairing, Wi-Fi hotspot, Smart Device Key. Your phone becomes the key. For audio lovers, the optional Mark Levinson Premium Surround System brings studio-like clarity. Every speaker, from the woofers to the tweeters, is tuned specifically for the ES cabin shape, providing deep, immersive sound. This blend of technology, refinement, and usability creates a digital experience without overwhelming the driver. The 2026 Lexus ES is not a sports sedan. It does not chase the aggressive, high-horsepower character of German rivals. Instead, it focuses on smoothness, efficiency, and quiet power delivery. Depending on the market, the 2026 ES typically comes with two major powertrains. 1. The 2.5-liter inline, 4-engine ES250, a naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine known for durability, quiet operation, low maintenance, cost, excellent fuel economy. It produces a refined level of power suitable for daily driving, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that shifts gently and predictably. 2. The 2.5-liter hybrid system, ES300H. This is the heart of the ES lineup, the version most buyers choose. The hybrid is built around an ultra-efficient Atkinson cycle engine, electric motor assist, ECVT, intelligent transmission, high-quality nickel metal or lithium battery, market-dependent. Combined, The system offers impressive fuel economy, smooth acceleration, near silent operation in city driving. The hybrid also has the ability to run purely on electric power at low speeds, gliding through traffic with almost no sound. Driving character: the ES is tuned for calm, comfortable, composed driving. You feel this in the gentle initial throttle response, the seamless transmission behavior, the soft yet controlled suspension, the hushed cabin that isolates wind and tire noise. It's not a car meant for aggressive cornering. It's a car meant for relaxing, elegant travel. A car that values effortless movement over pure speed. One of the most defining characteristics of the LEXUS ES has always been the way it rides. Not stiff, not floaty, but balanced, composed, and astonishingly smooth. For the 2026 model, LEXUS engineers spent countless hours perfecting the suspension tuning to create what they call predictable comfort. Suspension layout: the ES uses McPherson struts in the front, multi-link suspension in the rear. This setup is engineered to absorb bumps without transferring harshness into the cabin. Every component, from the springs to the bushings, has been tuned to deliver a calm driving sensation. Improved dampers for 2026. The dampers have been redesigned with better fluid channels, improved internal valves, quicker response to road surface changes. This gives the ES a smoother, more controlled rebound after hitting bumps. The car settles quickly, without the unnecessary bouncing found in softer sedans. Body control. Even though the ES focuses on comfort, LEXUS also ensured that the car remains stable during lane changes, highway merging, sudden braking, long sweeping corners. The 2026 model feels more planted, especially at higher speeds. There's a sense of solidity, as if the car grips the road with confidence and assurance. Comfort philosophy. LEXUS engineers globally share a guiding philosophy. A luxury car should protect the passenger from the road, not expose them to it. This is exactly what the ES delivers. Every bump is softened. Every rough surface becomes manageable. The ES glides, not because it is disconnected from the road, but because it is expertly tuned to manage it. Silence is one of the most powerful forms of luxury. In the 2026 LEXUS ES, silence is engineered, not by accident, but through hundreds of detailed decisions. Cabin insulation. The ES uses triple layer soundproofing, acoustic windshield glass, insulated wheel wells, thicker carpet padding, vibration dampening rubber mounts. Each piece works together to reduce noise from wind, road texture, passing vehicles, engine vibrations, engine quietness. The 2.5L engine is mounted on special vibration-reducing brackets. The hybrid model is even quieter, often switching off the gasoline engine entirely when coasting or in traffic. Wind noise reduction. LEXUS engineers analyzed wind flow using wind tunnels, computer simulations. Pressure sensors along the body mirrors are shaped to direct air away from the cabin. The doors seal with a soft but extremely precise double-layered lining. Road noise. Tires are selected not only for grip and durability, but also for frequency absorption, reducing the humming or droning sound common in many sedans. Result inside the ES. Conversation is effortless. Music sounds richer. Phone calls are clearer. Long drives cause less fatigue. Silence becomes a luxury. Safety has always been one of the strongest areas of the LEXUS ES. For 2026, LEXUS enhances its suite with LEXUS Safety System Plus 3.0, a combination of cameras, radar, and intelligent software. Key features: pre-collision system detects cars, pedestrians, bicycles, and, in some markets, even motorcycles. It can automatically brake if a collision is imminent. Adaptive cruise control maintains distance from cars ahead, slowing and accelerating smoothly. Lane tracing assist helps keep the car centered within its lane on highways. Lane departure alert warns the driver if they drift unintentionally. Road sign assist reads speed limits and road signs, displaying them on the dash. Dynamic radar cruise control uses millimeter wave radar to monitor traffic flow. Blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert helps during lane changes and parking. Automatic high beam switches between high and low beams depending on traffic. Crash protection: the 2026 ES uses high-strength steel. Crumple zones. Side impact protection beams, advanced airbag placement, improved structural rigidity. The goal is simple: protect the occupants in every scenario: frontal, side, rear, and rollover collisions. Driver confidence rather than overwhelming the driver with technology. LEXUS tunes the systems to feel gentle, smooth, and predictable. Instead of reacting sharply, the ES assists quietly, in the background, just as a luxury car should.